Hey everyone, welcome to Weld.com. I'm Mancub. Today we're on day 6 of the Fabtech 2020 cancellation. Today we're going to be talking about Bohler welding. They make all different types of filler wire from MIG, TIG, stick. If you ever have a chance to run 7018, run their 7018. It's pretty good. Jason's going to be talking about all the different types of wires Bohler welding offers. So Jason, take it away, buddy.
What you're watching right now is an ARC Specialties robot putting in an open root pipe weld with Diamond Spark 46MC seamless metal cord wire. The Diamond Spark 46MC all-positional metal cord wire is popular for semi-automatic and fully automatic joint welding of unalloyed and fine-grained constructional steels. The AI pipe bot constantly changes welding conditions, torch positions, and weaves to adapt to change in groove shape from root to cap. Metal cord wires allow the pipe bot to weld an even wider range of joint variation as compared to solid wire. Bohler supports American jobs by manufacturing their Diamond Spark 46 metal cord wire in Portage, Indiana. Let's have a closer look at how Diamond Spark 46MC seamless cord wire is manufactured and what makes it special. Ever wonder how cord wire is made? Seamless cord wires can be fabricated in two ways: tubular and laser sealed. Bohler Diamond Spark 46MC is manufactured using tubular fabrication technology. This makes it so there is absolutely no seam. The wire is drawn to its final diameter, 045, 052, or 1/16, and then copper coated to optimize wire feeding properties. Coating cord wires in copper helps current transfer and contact tip wear before it's packaged in either a 33-pound or 55-pound spool or a 550-pound drum. Diamond Spark cord wires enable welders to optimize their welding applications and enhance productivity. Their wire is designed for minimum oxide residues, permitting the welding of multiple passes without the need for interpass cleaning. You'll also notice a clear advantage in arc initiation and arc stability. The seamless design offers protection against moisture, protecting against hydrogen-induced cracking and wormhole porosity. Whether you weld manually close to the power source or robotic with long leads, problem-free wire feeding is what you'll get. The copper coating adds sufficient stiffness and glide to overcome friction in liners, welding guns, and contact tips. Another benefit of Diamond Spark metal cord wires is its ability to run smoothly with a wide range of welding parameters. This makes it easy to dial in for a wider use of productive spray arc parameters. If you need help dialing in your parameters, Bohler offers Diamond Spark parameter charts to make setup easy. The Diamond Spark parameter settings provide a clear overview of wire feed speed, voltage, welding current, transfer mode, polarity, stick out length, and shielding gas. You can download the chart by clicking the link in the description. Bohler Welding invented Sealandraht back in 1927, which is generally considered the predecessor of modern cord wire. Diamond Spark seamless cord wires are today's best choice for welding applications with the most stringent requirements for productivity, safety, and weld quality. That's why they are used heavily in robotic manufacturing and mechanized welding, high integrity components in demanding industries, high and ultra-high strength steel welding, and for low hydrogen applications.
All right, thanks for stopping by Weld.com, guys. I appreciate you watching this video with us. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. We love some opinions, hear some ideas. Thanks for watching. I'm Mancub. I'll see you guys next time. Learning is key. Thanks.